Hello, this is the one and only Lovito Naija Kitchen. I am here again today with one of my special delicacy. Today I'll be making turkey stew, and as you can see in this video, I'll be seasoning my meat with all the seasoning that I use to make my turkey stew. Please pay attention to watch and say the names of this seasoning very well. As a Nigerian woman, I did not measure my seasoning because I already know the seasoning is going to be enough for the pot of food that I'm making. Some of you are going to judge me. Oh, she did not measure her food. Hello? I already know what is going to be enough for the pot of food that I'm making. Okay, I'm going to be adding rosemary to it too because it gives it a lot of taste. Here we are heating our oil. This oil has been heating for about 3 to 4 minutes, ready for us to throw in our fresh tomato and fresh bell pepper. I didn't add fresh onion because I already have onion blended together with the tomatoes that I'm putting in now. But I'm going to be adding some onion powder. And in this video, if you watch closely, you can see that I use two different type of onion powder to season these tomatoes. Watch closely so you can see the names and what makes them different. Here is the second onion powder that I'll be adding to this tomato that is already frying. I'm gonna leave this to fry for about 10 to 15 minutes before we throw in our meat and our meat stock. While we stay and clean up the kitchen, let's wait for this beauty to cook properly before throwing in our meat and our meat stock. Wow, as you can see, it has been frying for about 10 to 15 minutes. Isn't it looking beautiful? I'm putting in my Maggie's seasoning now into the tomatoes so it could give it some taste. Some of you that has been watching from the beginning will say that the Maggie cube that I'm putting in here is nothing but chicken naan. So let it fry and we will put it in our. This is the gizzard. I already fried my gizzard out of the camera. I will let this gizzard fry for about 2 minutes before adding the turkey and the turkey stock that are already steamed before now. I'm adding in salt to season the tomatoes. And I think our meat and our meat stock is ready to go into this pot right away. Wow, this is bubbling so good. The tomato is so ready. Now we are going to be adding our turkey and our turkey stock. I'm not going to be adding any other water to this stew. This is the meat stock that is going to be the water to this stew. I'm going to let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or we're going to give it like 20 minutes before we come back and see the end result of this beauty. Please stay tuned and watch, and I'll be right back with the end result. Voila! This is the end result of this stew. As you can see, this beauty has been bubbling for so long, and it is so ready for you to eat it with a rice of your choice: brown rice, white rice, spaghetti, You could also eat it with potato, plantain, or yam. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up